One of the questions that we often get right now is, should I refinance now or should I wait till later? And if I do refinance, should I use a fixed or a floating loan?
Yeah, so we're about to pull up to a property that, the syndicator basically bought the deal. It had a Fannie Mae loan on it at the time, and then they really improved the property. So they went in, did a lot of CapEx on it, improved the operations, and raised the rent significantly. And that allowed them to do a cash out refi. This was a deal that was bought really in 2018, and so they were able to do the refi, about 2 years after. But in today's market, it's a little bit more challenging, just with cap rates where they were. It's gonna take a little bit more work to get a refi done right now. So if you can do a refi, my recommendation is probably to do, if you're in a bridge, probably move to Fannie or Freddie. And if you want to hold the deal just for a couple more years, probably go floating rate just so you have a 1% exit. But if you want to hold the deal longer, you can definitely move to a fixed rate. But if you go with yield maintenance, you might run into a pretty big penalty, especially if rates drop. So probably try to shoot for like a step down or a 10-year fixed, 7-year yield maintenance on those.